EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for April 6th, 2021. For your Tuesday, we're expecting a very nice day, very nice like we've had over the past couple of days. The wind is going to continue to decrease from what we saw over the past couple of days, and we will have temperatures very similar in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees and mostly sunny skies until we get later in the day. Then I think once we get toward the evening, we have partly cloudy skies that will become mostly cloudy overnight. We have a little weak disturbance that's over the eastern Great Lakes. It's going to be diving down to the south and east, and a few showers will be possible in just a few spots with this very late in the overnight and first thing on Wednesday morning, very early Thursday morning, Wednesday morning. So here's the NAM high-res future simulator radar showing this late tonight. This is looking at 5 o'clock in the morning. You have a few just very light hit-or-miss showers across northeast PA that's going to move down to the south and east in the very early morning hours here on Wednesday and clear the coast pretty quickly. This will be before noon this does this. Total precipitation with this is very little. You got a couple hundredths of an inch at best. So it's going to be fighting some dry air that's in place across the region. There's not a lot with it, but there could be some areas that get. That's basically enough to wet the ground. That's all that is. Okay, so that's not a big deal. Any clouds associated with that will give way to sun on Wednesday, and we're right back here in the 65 to 70 degree range. Again, 65 being the northern areas, 70 being the southern areas, but I do have the little raindrop there with the image next to tomorrow's image. That would just be in the early morning hours and only for a few locations. Elsewhere, clouds giving way to sun if you don't have any rain out of that. Or if it ends up being too dry or it's really not doing much or evaporating before it hits the ground, then you'll still have the clouds around before it gives way to sun by the afternoon on Wednesday. Okay, so moving forward from that, past Wednesday, we have another partly cloudy day on Thursday. We're going to be in the same range here, kind of 65 to 70. So a very nice day again on Thursday with partly cloudy skies. Then on Friday, Thursday night Friday, we have the first wave of precipitation coming at us. Now, this is not a lot here. There's just a few showers that are going to be generally late Thursday night into Friday morning. And then it kind of falls apart and the afternoon is dry. And I'm showing the GFS here, by the way, because the European model, which I showed in yesterday's video, they were both worlds apart, they're both in agreement. Okay, so the latest runs of both the GFS and the European model are the same, so it doesn't really matter what I show you. They're both doing the same thing. So you get that break here on Friday afternoon, and then late in the overnight, you have a few showers working in here into Saturday morning. So that's wave 2, and that might go actually into the early afternoon hours with those showers, and you're going to get another break before a third wave comes in late Saturday night and Sunday morning. Maybe, again, might linger into early afternoon there too. So this is just basically 3 waves there. The third of these 3 looks like it's the most potent here with maybe some steady rainfall with that. But again, it's just several hours of showers and rain here, and that's it. And it moves off to the north. There's a trailing upper level low feature that will try to move in here then on Monday. Might be a few showers to this later in the day on Monday. So there's a lot of confusion here with this, how this is going to evolve. But there's a lot of different waves here that are going to attack us. But it's not going to be a constant thing. So if you look at the local forecast and you see rain on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, normally your first thought is, wow, it's going to be a washout for 4 straight days. Well, no, that's not really the case. So you have some breaks in between all 4 of these waves. Again, the first one is late Thursday night into Friday morning. That's just a few showers, not a big deal. Then the afternoon is fine. The second wave is late Friday night into Saturday morning, maybe hanging into early afternoon. But then you're fine after that point. And then the third wave, which is a little more potent one, that's going to come in late Saturday night and Sunday morning. Again, maybe ending early afternoon on Sunday. And then you get another break before this final one comes in here with the upper level low moving through later in the day on Monday. So several changes of precipitation there. Not a washout through that entire period, but the temperatures with an easterly wind component that is going to be developing here with beginning on Friday. That onshore wind is going to keep things a little bit cooler. But it's not going to be cold. So you're going to have temperatures that are going to go from the 65 to 70 degree range to kind of like 58 to 62 from north to south for 4 straight days. Okay. So that's the end of our 7-day forecast period, but I think they're going to have vary on either side of 60 degrees there for 4 straight days after we are going to be in the 65 to 70 degree range over the next 3, because Thursday's going to be just like that, just the same. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins. That is your outlook for April 6, 2021. Have a great Tuesday.